Hi there, and welcome to the overview on this section, the player blueprint. So this section will comprise of setting up the player blueprint itself and adding the player into the world. This will involve setting up the player input in the game, so this will be through the Unreal editor as well as the blueprint input for the player. We'll be taking a further look at variables again, and then we'll be adding on to this by looking at something called functions. And then we're also going to add an extra nice feature in here as well with the spawn animation, so the player will have something to focus on when the game starts, so that the player character doesn't just appear in a certain spot on the screen, just to add a kind of extra level of polish to the game. And then we will finally move on to the movement of the player ship, and we'll have a fully functional and fully controllable player ship by the end of this section. So I think this will be a great place to start learning a lot more about the blueprinting and how things work. I look forward to going through this, and I will see you in the first lecture.